Hi, my name is Regina, and for today we will discuss what is a trial lesson. Trial lesson is free lesson for our students. And why do you need to come for this trial lesson? First of all, you can choose your own teacher or the version that you want. For example, our school have got 3 versions of teacher: native speaker, bilingual teacher, and your own language native speaker. Secondly, we will make your own program. For example, you need to prepare for some tests, for example, IELTS or TOEFL or something else, or you or your kids need to do their homeworks and so on. So we can help you with these problems. Next one, we're gonna learn about our learning methods and how we connect with our students, and all our lessons will be like game. And the last but not the least, we're gonna talk over about our technical details. For example, some of students need to have some earphones, or that you do not need any papers and any pencils. We just work on our platform. So see you soon at our lessons. Bye bye!